In this video, we will see how we can calculate end date or time using start date or time and duration. So in this example, you can see the flight which travels from Delhi to Chicago, and we also have the start date or time and the flight duration, so travel duration. So using the start date and the duration, we have to calculate end date and time. So here the formula is equal to start date or time plus duration divided by 24. So now we got end date or time for Air Malaysia flight which starts from Delhi at 7th December 11 pm and it reaches destination at 8th December 5 pm. Let's copy the formula to other columns. So now see this American Airlines flight which starts from Delhi on 10th December at 11 pm with travel duration of 19 hours will reach destination on 11th December 6 pm. So here the formula is equal to start date or time plus duration divided by 24. Let me increase the font size. So meanwhile I increase the font size, I request you to please subscribe Winners 10 YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. So here end date or time formula is start date or time plus duration divided by 24.